Hello everyone, welcome to Satoshi District TV. Today we are starting a series to explore Bitcoins and everything in cryptocurrency. In this video, I will explain simply what Bitcoin is, how they work, and why it's so important. Welcome back to my channel. This is Peter here with the Satoshi District TV. I'm here in Dallas today, Texas. Welcome to everybody. Hopefully everybody is okay around the world, in Europe, in America, in North America, in South America, in Shanghai, in China, in Indonesia. Welcome to Indonesia. We have viewer in Indonesia. This is fantastic. I want to say thank you for your viewing. You are fantastic people, Indonesian people, and we love you guys, and we are very happy to have you. We have people from Morocco, Algeria. We have any kind of people here watching us on this Satoshi District TV. Thank you for your presence here in this channel and your support. What is Bitcoin? Basically, number one, I want to give you a simple definition. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency with no bank or central authority. Basically here, Bitcoin is not controlled by governments. American governments, European governments, Asian governments, nobody controls Bitcoin. That's very important. It means we're impartial. It means nobody can move around like they do for other commodities. And I don't want to talk about just gold and silver, for example. Look at gold and silver. It's people, they do the manipulations here for the price. And what they do? Well, London Stock Exchange, basically, and they do whatever they want. Strangely, every Friday afternoon before the close of Wall Street, everything goes down because people they're selling, people they're making profit. With the Bitcoins here, it's nothing to do with that. It's not end of the Friday or end of the week or whatever it is. No, it's 24/7. Remember, then with Bitcoins, nobody can control. If the Bitcoin decides to go up, it goes up. It can be at midnight. It can be at 2 o'clock in the morning. It can be at 5 p.m. It can be a Sunday. It can be a Monday. Doesn't matter. It can be in August. It can be in September. We have trend. We noticed that like everything. We did some analytics, but still, it's decentralized. Nobody can do a manipulation and move around Bitcoin. That's number one. Second of all, it was created in 2009 by a guy named Satoshi Nakamoto. And this guy is anonymous. Nobody who know who is this guy. Nobody have a view of him. Is someone, it's for real, but it's someone nobody seen. And we don't know if he's still alive or if he's dead. Still, the system is still there and it's working. How does it work? Basically here, transactions are secured by a system called blockchain. It's a public and a tamper-proof ledger. What that means is nobody can touch it again. Nobody can do anything. If you're in Dallas, like me today, if you're in Paris, like you maybe, you are in Malaysia, you are in Indonesia, you are in China, you are in Lagos, whatsoever where you are in Lima, Peru, or whatever you are in Canada, you are in Toronto. Hey, you can do cryptocurrency regardless of where you are. And this is powerful 24/7. Then the difference with traditional money, dollar, currencies, Europe, it's no intermediary. It's less centralized control. It means nobody can, again, move around. There's no way. The price of Bitcoin here today, $116 and $367 right now. It's a 1:37 p.m. and we are the 1st August 2025. This price, of course, if you are in Europe, for example, it will be in euro. But still, if you go by the currency using like dollars, which is so far the mainly currency used in the world, then dollar is dollar. And this price here, nobody can move it. Okay? This is very important. It's not paper money. This is electronic. This is built to live forever. Number two, second part. Why is Bitcoin revolutionary? Why Bitcoin is so exceptional? First of all, financial freedom. Bitcoin gives you financial freedom, universal access, fast and borderless. Can you imagine that? Again, I'm here in Dallas, Texas. Where are you? Well, we can exchange right now. I can send you a fraction of Bitcoins and you can receive it. Say, Peter, thank you. I've been paid. I've been exchanged. I receive your trade. You can have what you deserve to have if you sold me something else, for example, or exchange or we're trading something else. Basically, that's possible right now. No limits all around the globes. Thank you, Internet, by the way. Uh, it means this something so powerful that can nobody stop it. That's very important part. Now, security. It is something you need to pay attention. Advanced cryptography. Impossible to counterfeit. Yes, you cannot counterfeit Bitcoin. Why? It's because millions of users, millions and billions of octave, million of movements, computer movement, and those movements they are controlled to one another. It's been basically here the system is self-control. Nobody can enter and change that. Now, the limited supplies. Bitcoin is 21 million Bitcoins. That's it. Period. It's creating scarcity. And you know, you and me, if tomorrow someone say, hey, there's no more gold to dig, what will happen to gold? Guess. Is no more oil to dig. We have just that kind of reserved, and that's it. What do you think? Gold, petroleum, anything will skyrocket. They will jump, and that's why everybody want to get some. Today, Bitcoins it's detained. Even in France, I was reading lately. Strangely, 3.3 million, I think, if I remember properly, French people they own Bitcoins, all kind of cryptocurrencies. I was so impressed on the 60 or 70 million people in France. Some people they get it. It's mean it's not like it's unknown. And don't talk about Asia. Don't talk to Singapore. Don't talk to any places where they are very advanced on that kind of stuff, like Japan. They do. Don't talk about China, where they're producing computers and they're producing systems where you can mine the bitcoins. It means this is something well established as today. Not enough, but we are on the way. The use, payment method, store of value, investment. You can pay again. You can be in Lagos and you said, Peter, send me a fraction of your bitcoins, pay me for whatsoever I will send you back, and I'll do it. It's a store of value. I do have bitcoins. I'm selling them. I'm buying them. I'm making some profit of it. But it's also like getting money on your bank account. It's like getting silver, gold, and you can store. It's like having a 401k, okay, with any kind of product you may have in the 401k. It means it's an investment and it's a store of value because it goes up, it goes down. Part number 3. Now, challenges and risks. Risk. Well, it's very volatile. And this is, for me, is not a risk. But I want to be very straightforward with you guys. For me, it's not the risk is the most beautiful part of it. But it is true. Again, don't invest your paycheck fully. Don't invest your mortgage money. Don't invest your car payments. Don't do that. Don't invest something you cannot afford to lose. We agree on that. But many of us have money on saving account, have money on even checking account where the bank don't give you a dime interest wise. They don't give you anything. Many people get, I see people 50,000, 40,000 in a checking account. What do you do with all this money? Okay, at least open a saving account, at least, or high yield saving account, 3 or 4%, at least, unless you don't believe in interest, which is different. But you don't believe in interest, but you may believe in profit. It means which is a different naming, but at the end is the same. You're making more money, okay, regardless of how you want to do it. A compound interest is a Western man ID, if I can say it. You can do that, but if you don't believe it, it doesn't matter because you're not compounding interest on this one here. You're just making profit buying high and selling. Selling high. I'm sorry, and buying low. Okay, then still, donc, that's a challenging here for investors. Be careful. Invest only a fraction of what you can lose. If you had to lose it, imagine tomorrow Bitcoin lost 10%, then you're not crying. You say, okay, that's fine. Because as a right investors, if you have experience, what do you do when the Bitcoin or any kind of commodity or any kind of investment go down? You buy more. That's the secret. You buy more. Goes down, you say, oh my God, fantastic, let me buy more. As well, the partial adoption worldwide. It's true that around the world it's partial. It's not everybody, but again, I was surprised. Like I said, 3.3 million French people, they have a portion of it. Fantastic. That means somehow even people who like cash, people who like something like the Napoleon in gold or stuff like that. They believe in gold. They believe in silver too, but they get some. It means it's an investment. This asset needs to be secure. You need to make sure you get wallets, you have a private keys. You need to make sure when you're going to using a platforms, that platforms will be secure. Like I said, I'm not related on any kind with the Coinbase. That's what I'm using for many years now, since 2017, and I never have an issue. I never lost anything with them. Finally, the evolution of the regulations. Here in the US, we have been put on a new decree by these new administrations here. New administration, not anymore, because of course now they've been there for a while. But this administration created what we call the Genius Act, where there was letting cryptocurrencies or altcoins to be able to be attached to gold or silver or dollars, then to make it more stable. Finally, for me to conclude, this is for the Bitcoin introduction. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment your questions, okay? If you have any questions, go for it. And especially subscribe to Satoshi District TV to not miss upcoming videos. We'll soon talk more about blockchain, trading, and precious metal. See you soon.